seem to do it, remind me to do it. But see this right here where it says join? That's where you would click at if you do that. Like if you click on Zoom.
Yeah, see, when I went on mine, it didn't show it. It just had previous meeting, it didn't have it, so I had to go through the email to click on it. I
Okay.
don't know why, but it
As long as
didn't.
you got in, that's the important thing. Boy, they got this thing a lot different than it used to be. The last time I used Zoom, damn it, they didn't have so much in the way of features. So anyway, that's the thing that you want to do, and make sure you can do that. Go in and take the knowledge check. Like I said, it's going to help you. And like I said, it can only make you pass shorter if you do this. But anyway, and then you're going to have, I think it's about 20 questions. We got about, not quite, let's see. I would say it's 25 questions, because you notice the little mark there. So when you get all the way out to here, it's done. All right. So let's see who else. Some people showed up. Let's see. Want to make sure and get to know everybody the first day here. So let's see. I see Katina out there just showed up. Let me put. So Katina, how you? I think everybody else I pretty much got. Kent. Malika Kent. Let's see. Cool.
Do you have Sharena Carlin?
I just got you.
Okay.
Everybody else, I think I've gotten. So I got Felicia, I got Ariel, Katina, Clarissa, Demiria, Darian. Oh, who's iPhone 94? Because I'm going by the names on here, so you can tell me who it is, or I can call a bunch of names until you yell. So who's iPhone 94? Can you hear me? All right. Well, I'm just gonna go through and do the rest of these, and we'll see if that person wakes up. So Elise Combs, is that right? Elise? Shelton Connolly? I don't see. Simone Davenport? Don't see. Abrian Davis? I didn't see. Wait a minute. Mariah Finley, I didn't see. Jacqueline Gills. I saw that name somewhere. I think somebody emailed me. Miriam Khalid. I don't see. Rhea Livingston. I didn't see. Nidra Molasaw. I didn't see. Reagan Moyer. See. Caitlin Roussel. I didn't see. Kelsey. Wow. So whoever iPhone 94 is, you're gonna have to let me know, because I got no idea who that is. All right. So let's go back over here. All right, let's see if there's anything else I need to show you. And as I said, yes, this the addendum, if you missed it, when you come in to home in Canvas. The way they have it set up now, if you click on the school information, it brings you to the spot where you've got everything you need. See, there's an addendum. And then that showed you there's my schedule. All right. Let's see. I have a calculator. Let me go back and look at the that's what and see if there's anything that else I should tell you. And so when you go through that process, there is a way to, if you go through, as I had said, through the Alex, that sets up, that gives you all the book that you need. It gives you the access to the Alex system, which is where the work is done at. Kind of keeps track. There is a way to opt out of it, but I would highly recommend don't do the opt out unless you know what you're doing, because then you got to go and purchase the material on your own. So just go through the Alex like I did, and that's the safest way to do it. So I'll go ahead and show you some stuff about the in the Math 120. It's going to be set up the same way. So when you go in and set up, you just go through the Alex, and then you're going to do the exact same things, and there'll be the knowledge check in there, and that's the one you really want to pay particular attention to, because that's a credit bearing course. And as I said, it measures you, finds out what you know, and it'll tailor your path so that it'll give you credit for things that you already know. So if you've taken the class before, or if you had the material somewhere else, it's not going to make you go through it ad nauseum again. All right, anybody got anything? Anything they can think of?
Yes. We have to meet on how many days do we got to meet on Zoom? Tuesdays and Thursdays?
Yeah, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5:30 for the O20, and then at 7 o'clock for the Math 120.
Tuesday and Thursday. Okay.
Yeah, this class is a Zoom class. There's we don't ever have to meet face to face.
Okay. Gotcha.
I'm gonna have to find out though about the final exam, how they handle that. But I think what it is I'll let you know, because the final exam is departmental. Well, actually, I take that back. Yeah, it's departmental, so there's a few different rules about it. I think it all gets done through the and you don't do it on Zoom, you do it in Alex, and they lock down the browser and all that.
Yeah.
So the way you do it, if you use the lockdown browser, then that's how it works. They got this new thing called Honor, but I don't know if that's in place yet. Anybody got anything else?
So if we in both classes, we have to join both Zooms.
Well, yeah, but they're not at the same time. That one's at 5:30 and the other one's at 7. So the 7 o'clock is the important class. That's the Math 120. That's the one that you get credit for, that shows up on your transcript, and you don't have to worry about In other words, you have that as credit to go in your degree program. Like I said, this is strictly what we would call a support class. It does have a grade, but I don't think the grade affects your GPA, but the math 120 is the thing that you concentrate on. Anybody got anything? I got plenty of time. Just trying to think how to, Lord, I might let you go early. And then we'll come back. I got a couple of things I just thought about I need to do. See if somebody's got an email to me. That might be a student. No. Let's see here. Let me type out a message to this student. There's a student that couldn't get in for some reason. All right. So, well, let's bust out a little bit early and I'll see you at 7, okay? Because everybody should be back at 7. We may have some new people that are only in the 120. But if you got any questions, stick around. I'll probably
All
think of something as soon as I let you go, but we got next time to do it well, and y'all be in here, so.
See y'all
Okay.
later.
Okay. Yes, 7.
Hey, I have a question. Are you gonna
Okay.
send a link for the 7 o'clock, or will we just go back to the one you sent for the class?
But now, I'm right now.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna send it out.
The new
I'm
link?
making that one right now
Okay.
for the 7 o'clock. Yeah.
Okay.
I
Perfect. That was my
thought
only question.
for your class, but I don't know. Got me wondering now if I'm actually mailing it out because I don't think it does it automatically. Let's see.
Sorry, I have kids tonight. I usually won't have kids with me.
Yeah, that's all. If it's too loud, I'll mute it. Isn't it a big a deal? All right. So I'm gonna schedule a new meeting. So we're going at 7 o'clock. For about 15 minutes. Recurring meeting. Weekly. Tuesdays, Thursdays.
All right, see y'all at 7.
Okay.